guys, Donna Coker here with Donna Coker's the Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and I am here cutting our oatmeal milk and honey. This is actually the soap that will be for, although I shave with all of my cold processed soaps with no problem and it leaves my legs silky smooth, this one will even be more skin loving. So I'm going to go ahead and cut just a little off the end. And I do think I could have left him in the mold just a little bit longer, probably another day. But, oh my God, that smells so good. I'm impatient, and I wanted to get it done. And I needed the mold, so yeah. This is a very plain looking soap, but it does not smell plain. And it will not feel plain, I can tell you that. So, it's the top. I don't know if you can see the colloidal oats in it or not, but oh my God, this smells absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And when I make my honeycomb and cinnamon soap, which looks similar, it's just a little different color. Oh yes, that smells good. It heats up quite a bit, and I was expecting this one to be a bear because it does have honey, it has milk. Of course, then you got the fragrance to deal with. It did not use any color, any mica in this soap, so it's natural as far as color is concerned. I mean, the fragrance oil does discolor a little bit, but I actually wanted that and preferred that, so yeah. So, oh my gosh, this is my new favorite scent, I do believe. It's absolutely wonderful. Amaze balls. Oh my gosh, guys, that is just absolutely wonderful. I don't know, I'll give you a little close-up view so you can see the colloidal oats. And this is going to be a part of the Spa Bloom collection. That's one of the new collections. It'll have some other spa scents in it. This one I developed specifically for body and leg shaving. So even though I shave with my cold processed soaps now and have wonderful results, I thought, well, we can do better. And so I developed this soap. So we're going to see how that goes. But oh my gosh, amazeballs. That's just smells so good. I'm not going to make you sit through the entire cut. I just wanted to bring you along, especially since we're introducing our new soap. I did get some fingerprints on here. Look at me. We'll get those cleaned up. And I hope you like it, and I hope you hit subscribe, and I hope you'll consider connecting with us on Facebook at A Cherry Bloom, or Instagram at Cherry Bloom, or cherrybloom.com, my website. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.